Day 5 of the America's Cup Final sees Oracle Team USA rebound as in series race number 8, Emirates Team New Zealand suffers its worst defeat of the summer, but it was near disaster averted that came with some heart-pounding moments. The Kiwis' wing locks, and somehow skipper Dean Barker and crew saved the boat from capsizing.
I think we had someone looking down on us, giving us a little help.
They lose the race by 52 seconds, but they don't lose the boat. Setting up series race number 9, and Emirates Team New Zealand, with some time to regroup, has the lead around gate 2, and race officials terminate the race as win limits were exceeded. So races 9 and 10 now on Sunday's schedule, as both teams have Saturday night to think about how the day's action could affect the rest of this series.
I've been telling you guys all along that we can win races, and today, to come from behind on the upwind leg was a big boost for the guys, and they're rewarded with a win. And I still think we've got a couple other things we can do.
You know, you've got to make sure you're completely error-free around the course, and we made one mistake, and it obviously not only cost us cost us the race, but it also came very, very close to costing us a lot more than that.
Quite a scare for sure, and now entering Sunday's action, Emirates Team New Zealand still needs 3 victories to capture the Cup, while Oracle Team USA needs 9 wins to defend. With NBC Bay Area's coverage of the America's Cup, I'm Lawrence Scott.